Hi guys, thanks for going and getting your supplies. I am going to show you how to make a cube by using Play-Doh. Okay, if you don't have Play-Doh, that's okay. If you don't have marshmallows or toothpicks, that's okay. You can still learn by watching the video. Okay, so I'm going to take my piece of Play-Doh and I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to just kind of squish it all around. Okay, I'm going to keep turning it and squishing it until it turns into a cube. Okay. So remember, a cube has how many faces? Do you remember? Good. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And remember, a face is the flat surface on a 3D shape. Okay? So I'm going to keep squishing it until I make it into a cube. Okay. So here's my cube. It looks like a dice. Okay, let's count how many points are on the cube. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 points or vertices on a cube. And we said there are 6 faces. What's left? The sides, or a corner, or an edge. Okay, so that's where the faces meet. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges on a cube.